Hey everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am actually ceramic coating my own car, and I'm going to do it on my Tesla Model 3. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of ceramic coating, the buzzwords going around. It's the replacement for waxing, which waxing you have to do like every couple months to keep it current. But a lot of people didn't know you can ceramic coat your own car. Typically, up until recently, you had to hire a professional to do this, and it is big money. It can cost anywhere from $750 to a couple $1,000s to get your car ceramic coated. However, for those do-it-yourselfers out there, today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your own car. There's a new product out from Avalon King. It's called Armor Shield. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. I'm going to apply the Armor Shield product. First, I'm going to clean it up. They have a pre-wash compound. I'm going to do a little unboxing of the products to show you exactly what they provide you and what's entailed to get this basically wax on steroids. It can last upwards of 2 years. It makes drying off the car super easy. The nanotechnology behind the Armor Shield product will seal the surface, give you that shine that you want, and it also protects it as well. So if you get bird droppings and all kind of stuff all over the car, no problem. It comes right off very easy. So let's get started. Let's check out the boxing of the product. Then I'm going to wash the car, get it all prepped up, show you exactly how to apply this product. And then after we're all done, we'll come back and show you the exact results, show you how good the Tesla Model 3 is going to look, the beading of the water, how easy it is to dry, and all that good stuff. All right, so first up, we got two things here. We got the pre-shampoo. This is the like kind of thing that's going to, the special soap that's going to take off all the existing waxes and sealants. Super concentrated for cleaning, the first step in the full detailing process. So this is going to get any wax you had on there, any previous coatings that might have been on or anything like that. So first we're going to wash the Model 3 with this, and then we have the actual Armor Shield product itself right here. Comes in a really nice box. Let's see if we can get this opened up here. Here we go. Open up. So we got smile, apply, and enjoy. And here is the actual product. Comes in this kind of fancy Apple-esque box. Here's the actual bottle right here. So we get this, and underneath here we get a microfiber towel. This is used after you actually apply the product to buff it out. And we get a couple of gloves to use so you don't get the nano coating product on your hands. We have an application block here with the logo, really nice. And then some cloths that basically we're gonna wrap around this, drop on the nano coating, and then the instructions say you basically, after it's all cleaned up in a shaded area, you wipe on horizontally first, back and forth, and then like vertically, and then you have to wait. In my temperature, I think we're about 80 degrees, just a couple of minutes. You go panel by panel and then buff off with the microfiber towel. Do that to all the panels, and then curing time is about 1 to 2 days. So I'll get the car washed up with the pre-wash and then get it all dried off. Then we'll go ahead and apply a panel. I'm just going to show you one panel so the video doesn't get entirely too boring. And then I'll come back and demonstrate all the awesome results. All right, so as you can see, or maybe you can't see, but the Model 3 is actually pretty dirty. You can just kind of look at all the bugs and all the stuff all over it. This is actually pretty tough to come off. But after the nano coating from Armor Shield, it's going to be way, way easier to get this car cleaned up. But nevertheless, let's get the pre-wash done. All the old wax, all the old coatings off the car, come back, show you how to apply the product, and get started. All right, so boom, there we go. I spared you me actually washing the car because that's actually pretty boring, but I lifted the McLaren 720S up so I could put the Tesla Model 3 right in the middle here. It's hard to describe, but it's a rough, uncoated, untreated surface. That special soap they gave me took off all whatever was on there, if it was wax before or not. So nevertheless, it's bare, ready to go. Let's set everything up, go over the coating process. So let's get started. Let's get some gloves on here. These are nice, black. Ooh, nice. I don't know what else we're doing with these, but here we go. All right, ready to go here? This has got to be the nicest microfiber towel I've ever seen. I mean, this thing is so nice. I hope maybe they sell these on their website because I would definitely get some more of these. You got to feel this. I'm going to put a couple drops on here. We're going to apply it horizontally, then vertically, and then we'll let it dry, and then we wipe off with a micro towel. After a few minutes, we'll wipe it off with a microfiber towel, just kind of buff it out, and that is it. It is as simple as that. So let's get started. So as you can see, it's a little bit tough there to see, but you can see that it's wet. And from here, I'll start up in this corner, and it just slides on really, really easy, actually. I'm gonna do half the hood as they recommend, and then do the other half. You can kind of, it's hard to see from the camera, but from the angle I'm looking at, I can tell like which section I've done. And you can smell it too. So I guess that's why they had to use the gloves. Okay. A couple more drops. Now we'll go in the vertical direction to make sure we get every section. There we go. And it is just that easy. I've done half the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other half. I think they have you break it up so that you can see, but I've got to, with these lights in here, I can definitely see which sections I'm getting, which sections I'm not. So I'll put a couple more drops on here. You really don't need a lot of this product. You could probably do a few cars with just one little bottle. So let's go over here and do the other side. And we'll do the other direction now. You can kind of see, it's hard to tell, I'm sure, from that angle, but I can tell exactly which parts I'm getting. And I'll get around the emblem here. And that's it. We're actually done with this section. And as per the directions, which I have right here, let's see, I'll put the description up of the directions so you can actually see them, but 70 degrees, wait, well, you only need to actually wait 1 minute before the next step, which is to use the microfiber towel. I'm actually let it go another couple minutes and then do this, but basically after that, just a light buffing with this microfiber towel, and then you are done. Move on to the next section and continue. All right, so there you go. We waited a few minutes. I got it all on there. Now we're gonna use the microfiber towel and just do a light buffing of the whole surface and get that done. I can already see it really, really starting to shine, actually. I can tell a difference under the lights. I know it's probably hard to tell from the camera angle right there, but this is really, really an easy process to get done. All right, so there you go. One panel down, I got the rest of the car to go. Now you can also do multiple layers. If you wait about an hour in between, you could do another layer. They say you can go up to 3 layers for that extra protection. You can also do the glass. I hear ceramic coating or nano coating on the glass is great because when it rains or you're going through weather, it just slides right off. You might not even have to use your windshield wipers. Of course, it's also great on wheels. If you get a lot of brake dust and it's really hard to clean off, if you nano coat, ceramic coat with this product, the dust won't stick, and then you just basically, when you wash, you just spray and the dust will come right off. A really great way to save time, especially if you got wheels that have a lot of little integrated pieces to it, because those are really a pain to clean. All right, so I'm gonna get to work, finish the rest of the car, and then I'm gonna wait 48 hours. They say that's the recommended time before getting the car really wet again. Then I'm gonna demonstrate, I use the Master Blaster air dryer to dry off my car, and I can always notice when the coating or the wax is gone because it just doesn't work that well. And when the coating's great, basically after you're done washing, first of all, after you spray the water off, a lot of the water just rolls right off. And then when you use the air dryer, it just blows right off and you barely have to dry the car at all. And that's great because the less friction you have on with drying towels in the car, the better for the coating and for the car itself. So here we go. I'm gonna finish up and I'll get back to you with a demonstration of the results. All right, so I'm back. It's been 2 days, 48 hours, and the car has completely cured. I wanted to show you the bottle test. That's how you tell if the coating is really working, because you can feel roughness on uncoated surfaces versus totally smooth after it's coated. However, I realized that I coated the entire Model 3 right here and that's going to be difficult to show you. So what I decided to do is another test on my daughter's car. This is her Ford Escape, which sits outside in the sun. It's never been waxed. It's never been coated or anything. I taped off a small area here, and you can really, really feel the difference of where it's coated. And you could do this with a kind of it's called the bottle test. So you take the little bottle. Here's the bottle of the Armor Shield, and basically when you stick it on the car right here, it's not coated, and when you move it over to the coated surface, it just completely slides. So over here, it's uncoated, it sticks, and as soon as you move it over to the coated area, it will not stick at all. It is super smooth. And then of course right here, you can feel it gets rough, and boom, it sticks. All right, so now I'm gonna back out the Tesla Model 3, spray some water on it, and show you exactly how the water beads up and how I can use the Master Blaster air dryer to completely dry off the car with almost no touching. All right, so here we are. Now we're gonna do a little water test. Let's say you were washing your car, and I'm gonna aim the camera down there a little bit here so you can see a little better, but you can see the water just, I'm gonna zoom in here, just rinsing and just falling right off the car. Barely even stays on there at all. The beading action is just fantastic. And then we got the Master Blaster air dryer. And then there you go, in just a few seconds. I mean, it is, you don't even need this, honestly. Like, it is completely dry. Maybe just a light brushing of a couple of water droplets, and all the water's gone. All right, so just a few minutes, the car's completely dry. It just the water just falls off even when you're just washing the car. And the Master Blaster air dryer blows all the rest of the water off, and then just a light dusting with the microfiber towel, and you are done. So that's a wrap of ceramic coating my own car. It was super easy to do. I want to put a link in the description to Avalon King and their Armor Shield product. There's going to be a discount code in there if you want to get a discount. Drop in the drag times code down there below. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep the videos coming. Thanks for watching.